somehow. Memories of your gentle touch in my heart, they hurt so much. Shadows dance upon my wall. I feel the emptiness of it all. Tears fall softly in the dark. You left me with a broken heart, and I'm lost in these echoes, a lonely heart that nobody knows. Your love left a scar so deep in my heart, it will always keep. Staring at the moon up high, wondering if you see the same sky. Whispers of our love remain, only to be washed away by rain. Time won't heal these wounds I bear. Life feels empty, you're not there. Though I search in